Imagine this. A tiny drone that started as your friendly neighborhood entry point into the skies is now evolving into a sleek, unstoppable force ready to own 2025. The DJI Neo 2 isn't just an update. It's a full-on glow-up, packing more brains, brawn, and beauty into a frame so light you can mistake it for a high-tech paper airplane. From the moment you hear those props were to life, it promises adventures that feel epic, not elementary. What do you think? Will the Neo 2 finally bridge that gap between fun and film-worthy footage for you? Drop a comment below and let me know your biggest wishlist item for this little beast. At its core, the Neo 2 is built for all of us dreamers with wings. The wide-eyed newbie lifting off for first time, the weekend warrior chasing sunsets, and the savvy creator hunting pro shots without dropping flagship cash. Sure, rivals like Otto and Skidio are stirring the pot, but DJI is dropping a mic on the competition, reminding everyone why they still command the clouds in compact aerial wizardry. Whispers in the drone world are electric. The launch is slated for late 2025 or maybe kicking off 2026, with online forums, fellow YouTubers, and gear gurus buzzing like a hive. They're calling it the game changer that crams ultimate portability, wallet-friendly vibes, and Hollywood-level visuals into one irresistible bundle. That original Neo? It was charming, no doubt, a quick 18-minute joyride with basic sensor and wind handling that whispered toy more than tool. But the Neo 2? It's like that underdog character in your favorite flick who trains montage style and comes back unbreakable. Picture the stamina boost. A beefed-up 1,660 mAh battery stretching flights to a solid 20 to 25 minutes, shrugging off level 4 gusts, and hitting 16 meters per second in sport mode. This pint-sized powerhouse now chases horizons longer, zips faster, and stays rock-steady through the chaos, turning casual spins into confident epics. And oh, the lens! That's where DJI truly flexes its magic. Swap in a 1/3-inch CMOS sensor boasting 13.5 stops of dynamic range, and you're capturing razor-sharp 4K at 60 frames per second that pops with life. Dive into true 10-bit HDR video, complete with pro-grade D-Log color profiles, and suddenly this backpack buddy rivals full-size rigs for that cinematic sheen. Content makers, get ready to geek out. The upgraded AI ActiveTrack 6.0 locks onto you, your furry sidekick, a speeding bike, or even a cruising car with framing so fluid it's like having a director on payroll. Layer on RockSteady Plus and Horizon Steady gimbal tech, and those wobbly home video clips transform into butter-smooth masterpieces. The Neo 2 doesn't fly. It orchestrates, tucking a whole production team into your pocket. Best part? DJI is whispering it'll hover under that magical 250-gram mark, a lifesaver for pilots in the US, Canada, and EU dodging the red tape of registrations. If it delivers, we're talking the mightiest sub-250G drone in history, massive leaps in power, all while keeping things legally featherlight and hassle-free. Slot it into DJI's family tree, and the Neo 2 carves out its own throne. The Flip's your chill social media sidekick, the Mini 5 Pro amps it up for semi-pro hustles, and the Mavic 4 Pro roars as the alpha flagship. Right in the middle, the Neo 2 sweetens the deal with everyday affordability, grab-and-go ease, and features that punch way above their weight, tailor-made for vloggers, YouTubers, and anyone turning hobbies into highlights. Price tag seals the thrill. Hovering around $220 to $250 US, it sneaks under the radar of those premium heavyweights while stacking upgrades that scream value. It's the ultimate mid-tier charmer, sophisticated enough to spark creative fire, budget-smart for tinkerers, and inviting for rookies to soar without second-guessing. Of course, stateside fans might hit a speed bump with those pesky trade winds. We've seen DJI birds grounded at customs before. RTH features pause in the shuffle. But push through or not, 2025 shaping up as a landmark year that'll etch itself into drone lore for enthusiasts everywhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.